What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Everything Weapons. We have exciting gun law news. So the GOA, the GOF, and the FCDL, which if you didn't know what those stand for, the Gun Owners of America, the Gun Owners Foundation, as well as the Virginia Citizens Defense League, secured a preliminary injunction to our lawsuit against Virginia's assault weapons ban. Our injunction prevents the Virginia State Police from enforcing the firearm, magazine, and carry bans while our case moves through the courts. As it currently stands, the Virginia State Police from enforcing the temporary injunction delays enforcement from July 1st, 2026 until December 31st of 2026. So take action. Please call your Commonwealth's attorney and urge them to agree with the judge's ruling. I'm reading from the Instagram page, by the way, of Gun Owners of America. So 17 pro-gun attorneys have already committed to protecting the Second Amendment, luckily. So on their Instagram page, you can read all of the attorneys that are protecting it. So basically the GOA, the GOF, and the VCDL secured a preliminary injunction stopping enforcement of the state of Virginia's assault weapons ban and carry restrictions. So this is a huge W for the Second Amendment and for American gun owners everywhere, not just Virginia, because of course this can spread to other states if it goes negatively, right? But Virginia luckily just got a massive W in this Second Amendment case. So I'm going to be following this news, reporting any future updates, because it's pretty exciting and it's really important here. Luckily, this gun ban in Virginia was halted, so it's delayed, and the good thing is that we have almost 20 really good pro-gun, pro-Second Amendment attorneys working currently so that this gun ban doesn't go down in Virginia. So thank you guys very much for watching. Type a comment down below of what you think, how this case will turn out. I think it's going to go good for the Second Amendment, but you know the government, they're always trying to take away the people's guns, unfortunately. But drop a like, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated, and check out my older content on the channel. Subscribe, it only takes a few seconds, and why not, especially if you're a new viewer too, and make sure you ring the bell. That way you guys don't miss any videos I post in the future, because you actually receive a text notification every time a new upload drops. So until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.